We all get involved with WorldSkills for different reasons. For many of us, this becomes a passion within our lives.
My passion came from the opportunity to participate in projects with social impact.
I continue to believe that WorldSkills is bringing honor and excellence into our vocational skills.
I want to help to promote vocational education more and more because I know that learning new skills can change lives.
My dedication to WorldSkills was born when I recognized the full potential for excellence in skills training and the desperate need for that in my country.
I'm very passionate about supporting skill training for women that could eventually help them provide them with a self-sustaining career.
I believe WorldSkills is best human capital development.